Quality control is so much of our utmost importance because the number one asset that CPAs, firms, practitioners have is their reputation. We are selling services, we're selling not really products. I would say our services are to provide an audit, are to provide tax services. And what makes the difference between one CPA and another? Well, yes, cost for sure. That's going to be a factor and experience, but mainly your reputation. People want to hire accountants, CPAs, auditors, firms, practitioners that have a solid reputation. As such, controlling and ensuring high quality in all stages of engagements is paramount to these parties to make sure that they have a solid reputation and to make sure that they can keep working into the future. Now, it's important to constantly get business, but it's also important because, well, that's our job. If you're not good at your job, then what are you doing here? Additionally, when using the work of others, which we'll go over, you can use the work of others in many instances. You can use a specialist, you can use a predecessor auditor's work, you can use the work of an internal auditor who works for the client. There's many instances where you would use the work of someone else. Or maybe it's the work of someone below you at the firm or someone above you. There's so many instances, and we're going to address here when we need to control the quality of their work because we can't control the quality of their work. We need to control how we use it and understanding that because we don't want to damage our professional reputation by using incorrect or insufficient work. Now, these quality control systems, policies, and procedures, they're the responsibility of the audit firm. It's not the responsibility of the AICPA or the individual. It's as a whole for the firm. And pulling straight from what we would see in multiple choice questions, a strong quality control system is the best way to be reasonably assured that services rendered will conform with professional standards. In order to make sure the audit goes well and it's in line with what GAAP and the AICPA and all of our regulatory bodies want, you need to have a solid quality control system that permeates throughout the entire firm. The firm has an obligation to establish and maintain a system of quality control to provide it with reasonable assurance that the firm and its personnel comply with professional standards and legal and regulatory requirements, and that reports issued by the firm are appropriate in the circumstances. We don't want to issue the wrong audit opinion, the wrong type of report. We want to make sure everything conforms and matches what we need to be doing for that particular instance.
Hey there! Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material? We'll do it together. Tap into the power of CPA.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.